The Aipas F3 Electric Bike is a standout option for adults seeking a blend of power, versatility, and style in their daily commute or recreational rides. Boasting a robust 1500W peak motor and a 48V 12.8Ah lithium-ion battery, this electric bike is engineered to deliver an impressive performance that meets the demands of both urban environments and rugged terrains. One of the most striking features of the Aipas F3 is its powerful motor. The 1500W peak capability allows for rapid acceleration and the ability to tackle steep inclines with relative ease. Whether you're climbing a hill or navigating through a busy city, the bike's motor provides an exhilarating ride without compromising effort, making it accessible to riders of various fitness levels. This bike truly shines when put to the test, offering a maximum speed that will satisfy thrill seekers who enjoy a rush while cruising down paths or streets. The design of the Aipas F3 is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Its sturdy aluminum alloy frame offers a lightweight yet robust structure, making it easy to handle and transport. The overall design incorporates a modern look with clean lines and a sleek finish, appealing to a wide range of riders. Additionally, the bike features an adjustable seat and handlebars, allowing for a customizable fit that enhances comfort during longer rides. This is particularly beneficial for those who may be using the bike for extended commutes or leisurely explorations. Battery performance is critical for any electric bike, and the Aipas F3 does not disappoint in this regard. The 48V 12.8Ah battery offers a substantial range, allowing for rides of up to 50 miles on a single charge, depending on factors such as terrain and rider weight. This impressive range is a significant advantage for commuters who wish to avoid the hassle of frequent recharging. The battery is easily removable, which is a thoughtful feature for those who may want to charge it indoors or who prefer not to leave the bike unattended in public spaces. One of the notable aspects of the Aipas F3 is its versatility. It features 3 riding modes: electric mode, pedal assist mode, and traditional bike mode. This flexibility allows riders to choose how much effort they want to exert based on their comfort level and the conditions they encounter. The pedal assist mode is especially effective for enhancing stamina during long rides, providing a boost without completely taking away from the physical activity of cycling. This thoughtful design element caters to a wide audience, from recreational cyclists to those looking for a more workout-oriented experience. Safety is paramount, and the Aipas F3 comes equipped with front and rear disc brakes, ensuring reliable stopping power even at high speeds. The bike also includes bright LED headlights and taillights, making it suitable for nighttime riding. The inclusion of reflective elements in the design enhances visibility further, promoting safer riding conditions during low-light scenarios. The suspension system on the Aipas F3 deserves a mention as well. With a front fork suspension, the bike absorbs shocks effectively, providing a smoother ride over bumps and uneven surfaces. This is particularly advantageous for riders who plan to traverse diverse terrains, from city streets to country trails. The comfort provided by the suspension system minimizes fatigue, allowing for longer rides without discomfort. In terms of assembly, the Aipas F3 comes with clear instructions that make the setup process straightforward. Most users should be able to put it together within an hour, even if they are not particularly handy. The final product is a sturdy, well-built electric bike that feels ready for anything. While the Aipas F3 electric bike has many strengths, it's also important to consider potential drawbacks. Some users may find the weight of the bike slightly heavier compared to traditional bicycles, which might pose a challenge if they need to carry it over long distances or up flights of stairs. Additionally, its price point may be a consideration for budget-conscious buyers. However, the quality, performance, and features offered justify the investment for many riders. In conclusion, the Aipas F3 electric bike positions itself as a reliable choice for adults seeking a high performance,